Miss Holly, long time no see. So next to me is our latest machine. It's the 40 and 60 cm can print roll-to-roll UV DTF printing and the flatback UV DTF printer or the flatback UV printing. So let's see how this machine can print the roll-to-roll stickers or for the UV DTF printer and the flatback directly printing on the materials. Let's come to step 4. So this is the direct printing on the glass. You can stitch it and very firmly on the surface here. And this side is the UV stickers. You can see there's no difference between them. So this machine can print the UV DTF printer by roll-to-roll and can direct printing on the glass on other medias. So this is the printing process videos for our new 40 and 16 UV DTF printer. And can print UV roll-to-roll and direct printing. If you have any questions or want to know more about details, just feel free to contact us. Waiting your inquiries.